This is a quick message about Decipher's upcoming Intro to TV Tech session. This is a workshop aimed at grads and new joiners to the industry, and also any support staff in TV companies who get exposed to the mad jargon and acronyms that we tend to spout without ever bothering to explain. And of course, it's also open to anyone who's actually meant to know this stuff, but secretly harbors gaps in their knowledge. The session is going to look at technology, it's going to look at terminology, it's going to hopefully break open some acronyms and some myths. And as we go through it, we are going to start with some basics, starting with an aerial, and talk all the way through up to some of the new IP concepts, internet concepts, and some of the new players like Amazon and Google. So we will span all TV technology as we go through. We are going to bust some jargon. We're going to talk about analog and digital, what they mean. We're going to talk about why they're different in a TV context versus an internet context, and how hard it is to mash those things together. We are going to talk about some weird old tech and suggest perhaps that some of those weird ideas that failed in the past are actually coming back. We're going to ask about Amazon Alexa. Is an Alexa Echo actually just a set-top box? We'll address that in the session. And of course, we're going to do the VODs. We're going to break open the AVOD, TVOD, SVOD, BVOD, all those things, but starting with PVOD, the daddy of them all. So if you can't remember what PVOD is, you need to sign up for the session. This is the session where people are encouraged to bear all, but anonymously. You can either email in or use the chat to ask those questions that you're just too embarrassed to ask in front of everyone else at work. So this is the session if you've ever harbored one of those strange gaps in your knowledge. So are you coming? Do you have someone in your team who should come? All the information is available on our website, and we hope to see you there.